Hello, kids! Welcome to Writing by Planet Spark.
Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Hello, hello, my little writing stars. Today we are playing Guess the Object. I will give 2 clues. First, grab a pencil, grab a paper. Guess the object. I tell time. You look at me every day. Who am I? The correct answer is C-L-O-C-K. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. You sleep on me. I am soft and comfy. Who am I? The correct answer is B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. Bed. You wear me on your feet. I help you walk and run. Who am I? The correct answer is S-H-O-E. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. You sit on me. I have 4 legs. Who am I? The correct answer is C-H-A-I-R. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. I shine at night. I am in the sky. Who am I? The correct answer is M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Please like and subscribe the channel. You write with me. I can be sharp. Who am I? The correct answer is P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. You drink water from me. I can be glass or plastic. Who am I? The correct answer is C-U-P. Cap. C-U-P. Cap. You carry books in me. You take me to school. Who am I? The correct answer is B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. bag. I show you your face.
You see yourself in me.
Who am I?
The correct answer is
M-I-R-R-O-R.
mirror.
M-I-R-R-O-R.
Mirror. Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below. I help you open doors. I am small and made of metal.
Who am I?
The correct answer is
K-E-Y.
key.
K-E-Y.
Key. You use me to talk to someone far away. I can ring.
Who am I?
The correct answer is
P-H-O-N-E.
phone.
P-H-O-N-E.
Phone. I keep your food cold. I am in the kitchen.
Who am I?
The correct answer is
R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R.
refrigerator.
R-E-F-R-I-G-E-R-A-T-O-R.
Refrigerator. You use me to brush your teeth. I help keep them clean.
Who am I?
The correct answer is
T-O-O-T-H-B-R-U-S-H.
toothbrush.
T-O-O-T-H-B-R-U-S-H.
Toothbrush. I protect you from rain. You hold me above your head.
Who am I?
The correct answer is
U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A.
umbrella.
U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A.
Umbrella. I help you see in the dark. I have a light inside.
Who am I?
The correct answer is
F-L-A-S-H-L-I-G-H-T.
flashlight.
F-L-A-S-H-L-I-G-H-T.
Flashlight.
Please like the video and subscribe my channel.